yan.
Okay, Kuya, explain muna bago ano. Wala kasi megaphone eh. Explain muna niya bago ako mag-play na dito.
The next dance that we were about to perform is called Monkey Dance or Ceremony ng Unggoy. The writers believe that there's no other animals in the Subic forest that can match the skills of a monkey when it comes on hunting or foraging.
Dahil marami nga po unggoy dito sa loob ng Subic po. Ay, sir, sandali lang po. Dito muna tayo sa gilid. Ay, ang pinaka-highlight po ng dance. Wow! Huwag lang kayo masyadong titigil ng mga lumin. Wow! Wow, diba? Namiss ko na Patrick. Anyway, siya nga po pala si Piolo. Pero gulat ako. Nagmarin ako kaya nagdamo si Sam. Sam and Piolo. Okay, last dance.
Okay, our last dance po will be the war dance. During olden times, when laws are not yet fully established, where rules are being set by the elders of each tribe, that whenever misunderstanding arises in each tribe, they usually send their young men into fighting to show forceful by number or to talk with a peaceful manner. But before sending them out, they normally perform this kind of ritual to appease or to ask guidance from their god called Apo na Malyari to give them a victorious fight or a peaceful solution over dispute.
Yung God po nila, also known as Black Nazarene or Jesus Christ of Nazareno. Panoorin po natin pagbabayan niyo. Ayan po, Piolo versus Sam.